After the two vertical units are assembled, click to connect the device. Enter the pairing password 1234 and pair. Click LiFePo4 in the upper right corner to set your battery capacity. That completes the setup. Let's connect in parallel together. When the circuit is off, connect the two power cable first. Connect the positive terminal to the positive terminal and the negative terminal to the negative terminal. After all the screws are connected, they need to be reinforced with a torque wrench. The recommended torque value is 6 to 8 Nm. Connect the communication line to the RS485 interface. The first address behind the host is 1. The dip switch positions are on, off, off, off. After the settings are completed, the total battery capacity and the parameters of each parallel battery pack can be seen on the host display screen. The other non-mainframe display screens only show their own parameters of each parallel battery pack can be seen on the host display screen. Parallel connection has been completed.